If you're experiencing connection errors in CS2, particularly error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other websites or applications. If your connection is weak or intermittent, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary connection issues. Close CS2 completely and then relaunch it to see if the error persists. Step 3. Verify game files. Use the game client to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help resolve connection errors. Step 4. Update network drivers. Outdated network drivers can lead to connectivity issues. Check your computer as device manager for any updates to your network drivers and install them if available. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it. These services can sometimes interfere with game connections, leading to errors like 2026. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.